Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lomita, local and long-distance movers near me. By using our long-distance movers, you get the professional services you need for a much easier move. Hiring our crew to help means your cross-country move will go smoothly. The best moving services make all the difference, and we offer just what you need for your upcoming relocation. Our experts handle all the needed moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a local California moving company may not seem like it's worth the price. A local moving company delivers many benefits, which can make it well worth the cost. You are going to definitely save time with your local move when you hire a moving company. Movers can also make sure you don't have to deal with any of the heavy lifting. Our crew of professional movers will certainly ensure your move is really efficient. You never have to worry about spending multiple days handling your move when you choose 3 movers to help. It doesn't matter how large your move is, we can get it done fast. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lomita moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.